In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you can't receive payments in Apple Pay. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to check your Apple Pay setup. So ensure that Apple Pay is set up correctly on your device. So first go to settings on your iPhone. Now select Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, ensure that your card information and personal details are correctly entered. Next is you want to update your device, so make sure your iPhone or iPad has the latest software update. So go to Settings, now go to General and select Software Update. So check if there's an update available and install it if needed. Now verify your identity if required, so sometimes Apple Pay might require identity verification. So open the Wallet app on your iPhone and look for any notifications asking for additional information. Now complete any required identity verification steps. Next is you want to check your payment limits. So you want to ensure you haven't exceeded your payment limits yet. So Apple Pay might have daily transaction limits, so verify your transaction history. Next is to confirm your payment details. So ensure that the sender has entered your payment details correctly. So double check that they are using the correct phone number or email associated with your Apple Pay account. And the next step you can do is a simple restart. So a simple restart can sometimes fix temporary glitches. So press and hold the power button and slide to power off. Now turn it back on after a few seconds. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.